How can I write data in YAML format in a file? I need to write the below data to YAML file using Python, i.e., dictionary in a dictionary. How can I achieve this?
The default _flow_style equals false parameter is necessary to produce the format you want, flow style, otherwise for nested collections it produces block style.
Link to the pyyaml documentation showing the difference for the default _flow_style parameter. To write it to a file in block mode, often more readable. Produces. As of 2024, I had to use sort_keys equals false to maintain the specific order in the dictionary, i.e. data.yml.
At the time this question was asked in 2012, the default flow style was none, but since pyyaml 5.1, it's been false. So for recent versions of pyyaml, e.g. pyyaml 6.0.1, the nested objects are written in block style by default, i.e. the following code would produce a file that looks like. Also, if you don't pass a file handle, dump returns the data as a string, which can be written into a file as well, which again would produce the same file as above. Default _flow_style equals none lets you mix styles, while default _flow_style equals true is straight up flow style. Also, if you want to see valid coorgs of dump but help yaml.dump is not all too helpful, try help yaml.dump_all instead, because dump is just a wrapper for dump_all.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.